Data science with R. Real-world applications in 2024. In 2024, data science continues to evolve. R is still a top data science tool. R is known for its stats skills and open-source nature. It is now popular for data analysis, visualization, and machine learning. R is widely used across industries to drive innovation. It handles huge datasets and builds predictive models to solve tough problems. R in healthcare. Predictive analytics and disease prevention. Healthcare is a data-rich industry. R is key to turning that data into insights. Predictive analytics using R is helping healthcare providers. It improves patient outcomes, reduces costs, and boosts efficiency. R in finance. Risk management and fraud detection. The finance industry is using R to improve risk management and find fraud. In 2024, R is well known for financial modeling, algorithmic trading, and credit scoring. R in marketing. Customer segmentation and sentiment analysis. Data-driven marketing is now vital for businesses. R is key to gaining insights from customer data. In 2024, marketing teams use R for advanced customer segmentation and sentiment analysis. R in retail. Demand forecasting and inventory management. Retailers are using R to improve efficiency, optimize inventory, and understand demand. In 2024, R is used in retail. It's for demand forecasting, price optimization, and supply chain management. Conclusion: in 2024, R's use in data science is broad and impactful across many industries. R is a versatile tool for solving real-world problems. It is used in many fields. These include healthcare, finance, marketing, and environmental science. Its strong statistical skills and machine learning libraries are vital. It will be a crucial skill for data scientists and analysts. R is key to success in today's data-driven world.